Congratulations on purchasing your Japanese A5 Wagyu from Crowd Cow. This beef is incredibly special and best savored little by little, so invite some close friends over to share. Meals like this create memories. Slice a 1-inch by 1-inch strip about 3 to 4 inches long. Sprinkle judiciously with a little sal gris. Or skip, this amazing beef doesn't need much. Next, heat a clean stainless steel pan to medium-high. Warning, do not cook over an open flame. The high fat content and low melting point means possible flare-ups. Gently set your strip of A5 Wagyu in the pan and let it sizzle for 1 minute or so. You don't need any oil. The fat from the Wagyu will melt into the pan, allowing you to cook your steak with its own juices. Gently turn your strip over to cook on the other side for approximately 30 seconds and quickly sear the edges. Remove the steak and let it rest on a plate for 3 to 4 minutes. It's important to let your beef rest before eating. Serve and savor this legendary A5 Wagyu.